Alright, let's see what we got here. Look! Oh, this one's for you, Gabriel. This one's yours. Mommy got package too. This Mommy's package, and that's your package. Put it up there. Let's see what's in it. Gabriel got his first big kid box today. It's the first time of us we've tried one of these little boxes full of clothes. This is from Kid Box. We'll see how can let Gabriel unbox it. You like it? What's that? It's a sticker. Just in case we have to return something.
Sticker.
Yeah, we gotta see.
Shorts.
What is it? Let me see. Shorts? You didn't even open it. Let's see. Oh, New Balance. Hold it up like this. See?
My shirt.
It's your long sleeve shirt. Look.
No.
Cool. Look, it can match your pants. Cool. That's perfect. Yay.
No, this one a pants.
It's a shirt. It's a sweatshirt. Look, like this one. It matches your pants too. Let's see what's next. Yay! Good job.
No, this one.
What's in here? Let's see.
My too. Shirt. Pants.
So, what's in here? Let's see what these are. Those are cool. Look, show them. See. Open them up. Open them up like this. See. See? Yay! Pants?
More pants.
More pants. Show them up. Look, see?
See.
Cool. What's next? Let's see. More pants? Ooh. Oh yeah. Look everybody, sweats. Ooh, let's see that one. You gotta open it. You gotta open them.
I like it.
Neato, you like it? Ooh, suki. Next. Open it. Pull it up. The army vest. I like it. You try to put it on. There. Ooh, suki. All right, man. All right, keep you nice and warm in the winter. Here you go, one more. More pants. What color is it? What color is that? What color? Black. That's right. Good job. We have some black. Good job. And it'll go good with this too. With your vest. Nice, man.
Good.
Cool.
That's it.
So that's it, guys. So all together, he's got 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of sweats and pants. 1 nice flannel dress top. 2 nice dress shirt, perfect for church, which is exactly what I was looking for. And 3 tops. This one's New Balance, actually happens to match perfectly with the sweats and outfits that I was trying to match up together. This is from New Balance. This is awesome. This is great. That is not a bad deal, too. Well, I think it cost me about $69, almost $70 for all these clothes from Kid Box. We ordered it, and the baby got to unbox it, as you can see, and he loved it. Thanks, Kid Box. This was awesome. Cute. I can't wait to see what the next box is going to be. I was very impressed. You like it? Oh, 4 tops. Because I forgot about the vest he put on already. Say thanks, Kid Box.
Bye.